How to export a high quality JPEG in Adobe Illustrator. To show you this, I've prepared this vector image here. I'm just going to select it, and the way we turn this into a JPEG is we go to File up here, we click on Export, and then Export As, and that will give us the option to save it, for example in our Pictures folder here. Just going to name it something like picture. You want to select the file type, which is JPEG, and then you want to click on Use Artboards, and you can either choose all or a range of them if you have multiple ones selected. For now I'm going to go with all, and now I click on Export, and that will open this window here with the options. Now you want to remember to use RGB, no matter if it's for print or whatever, because JPEG just generally works better with RGB because of the color profiles it uses. The next thing we can choose is the quality. Obviously, a higher quality image will result in a larger file, and vice versa. The next thing we have here in the Options tab is the compression method. For now it's set to baseline. This is how fast it's going to open when you click on the JPEG. If it's going to be used for web, you want to go with something like progressive, but if it's for print, you can just leave it as it is. The next thing is the resolution. Usually you can go with high, and obviously the screen resolution is 72 ppi. Well, we can go with high for now. And this is the anti-aliasing. We're just gonna use art optimized super sampling like this, and you want to make sure you have this box ticked here which says embed ICC profile, and after that just click on OK, and it will create the JPEG for us. As you can see, it's exporting, and once it's done with that, you will have it in your folder. And that's how you export a high quality JPEG in Adobe Illustrator. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.